In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple chats on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook, then click on the Messenger tab. Then select one of the chats you want to delete. Let's start with this one. Then click delete, delete it. Then you will see this pop up for delete more. Click on it. Then tap on more chats. You can tap on this, this. I have nothing against these people, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Just click random chats. Then click delete. Then click delete once again. With this, you'll be able to delete multiple chats on Facebook Messenger. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thank you.